emergency for Pemberville and the surrounding area. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for eastern Wood County, northwest Ohio, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was observed near Bowling Green, moving east at 60 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado and golf ball-sized hail. Source: trained spotters. At 3:50 p.m., a wedge tornado was observed on the outskirts of Bowling Green, with mass devastation reported. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Bowling Green, Lucky, Pemberville, Stony Ridge, New Rochester, Woodside, Radnor, and Wayne. Take cover now. You could be killed, if not underground, or in a tornado shelter. This tornado has a history of mass devastation as it moved through Bowling Green, with homes completely swept away. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Wood County, Ohio.